Hi class, this is your instructor Amanda Ratcliffe. It's so nice to see all of you online, and I've enjoyed reading your introductions. As we begin this very busy semester, I want you to keep a few things in mind. The key to success in this course is to look ahead. If you'll go to the modules tab on the course, you'll see a breakdown of what's happening every week, and this week we have two sets of modules we need to go through. We need to go through the Start Here module, and then we also need to go through the Week 1 module. You will realize that we have several things due this week. There are a couple of small assignments in the Start Here module. There's a small quiz, there's a discussion of introduction, which most of you have done so far. And then in the Week 1 module, there are several assignments due. All of these things are due by June 22nd, which is this upcoming Sunday by 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And so if you are not working on the class, you need to do so because you've got a lot of things due today. We're covering, or this week, we've got 4 chapters that we're looking at. 2 major assignments that I want to point out that are due Sunday. The first, besides discussions and quizzes, is the history of a word or phrase paper. A couple of you have already turned this in. This assignment is detailed in Module 1, so click on that particular page in Module 1, Week 1 module, and you'll find the description of that assignment. I think you will also find an example of what a paper should look like for this class. Make sure you cite any sources within the paper that you use, and of course at the end in a works cited or reference page. Also, your second assignment is your first speech. This will kind of be our experiment when it comes to doing these speeches online. This is a simple introduction speech. It's 2 to 4 minutes. Once again, you can read the assignment criteria in the introduction speech tab under the Week 1 module. So you want to make sure you review that. This is also done or due by Sunday at 5 p.m. Please keep this in mind because you're going to have to find your own audience. You're going to have to gather an audience of at least 6 adults, and you need to deliver your speech to them. You will be talking to them. One of them will have a camera and record you, and they will post, or you will take that recording and post it on YouTube, and then pull the link over and paste it into the discussion board that's underneath that introduction speech assignment. However, when you're giving your speech, you will not be directly talking to the camera. You will be talking to the audience of people that you have live in front of you. So you need to make sure you're planning ahead. Make sure you have a group of people you can speak to before this Sunday at 5, and that you have all the technical issues worked out. If you don't know how to post a video to YouTube, please Google that. There's a lot of instructions out there. It's very easy to do. And make sure that you make it public, not private. I won't be able to see it if it's private. Your classmates will also be viewing these speeches, but I just want to make sure that you understand when you're giving your speech, you will be talking to the people in front of you, the live people, and they will happen to have a camera and record you, right? You will not be talking directly to the camera. This is a speech class, so we want to emulate a professional speech environment and emulate a speech classroom. Since we're not in a classroom, it's up to you to gather an audience and speak to that audience. And so we want to see you on the video doing that, not speaking directly to a camera. If you have any questions at all throughout this semester, please let me know. I'm checking the email every day, checking the discussion boards every day, and we'll be happy to get back with you quickly. I understand there's a lot of work due each week, so please pace yourself. Don't wait till Saturday to do a whole week's worth of work. Make sure you do a little bit every day. That will really help you. And I guess that's all. If you have any other questions, let me know. And I'm glad you're here. I think it'll be a great semester, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much.